back. This vlog is all about my prom. I'm graduating this year and this is our ball that we have, and because I'm graduating in Austria, an international school, it's a bit different to like the usual prom you would have. But today we've just been like setting up everything in a palace kind of place that we're renting for the whole event, and I'm in charge for all the decorations, so that was like chaotic setting everything up, but I think it looks really good and I'll show you guys some pictures later. But yeah, it's gonna be like a super hectic day. Like I already know that, like it's already been pretty hectic so far, but what's happening now is we're gonna finish setting up everything, then I'm gonna get ready, and yeah, and then the night I guess it will start and I'll show you like around. Yeah, it's crazy, but it's like so fun to finally be done with school and to celebrate in this way. So looking forward to it. Yeah, welcome guys to this vlog. This is all about my prom or homecoming or matura or ball, whatever you would call it, and I just hope you enjoy watching.
Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave, but I'm my own constant that I believe. When the world is going hazy and I lose my mind, I'm the only one that sticks by my side.
Circling the runways, I'm about to take off. Rainfall is shining pavement, just like some lip gloss. Was pissed off, now I'm cool about it. Kinda shocked that I found an outlet, been working on shit.
What's happened so far is, we set up, I'm gonna get you in it. We set up at the ball, and basically like we're done now setting up, and now we have like 5 hours till the actual ball starts, and we have a few more rehearsals. We've had our dance rehearsals as well. And then now we're just getting lunch, and I'm here with Adri, and Adri is in my parallel class. We used to be in the same class.
Yeah,
but yeah, and she would be like a really good blogger, but she's like too lazy to start a YouTube channel. We both get in it. But yeah, so we're just gonna get sushi now, then we're gonna get ready, shower, makeup, and you will see us later looking better than this.
Yeah, even though the boys still fancy us.
School today, she got oh, your sis.
Is this the first time you're in my vlog? I feel like it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you get?
I got a maki mix with avocado maki and salmon and cucumber.
Nice.
Sushi.
Yeah, cucumber. Yeah.
Nice.
For those of you who live in Linz, this is like the cheapest sushi place in Linz with good sushi.
So good.
And this is what I got. I got California maki and chicken maki. So we finished off lunch. I was so full I couldn't finish it all. I just took it with me, so I'll probably finish eating it later. And then now I'm going back to the Palais, which is like the palace, I guess, where we're having our ball, because we have all of our stuff there. I'm gonna drop off a few things, and then I'm gonna go home, shower, then go back to the event place, and then do my makeup, do my hair and all that, and I'll show you guys how I get ready for that. And yeah, it's exciting. Like, I'm in such a good mood. We had our dance practice and it was so much fun, like dancing, even though I'm not such a good dancer. It's just really funny how like our whole class is together and we can like enjoy it together and like dance and like have a good time. So that was heaps fun. And yeah, now I'm just gonna buy a few drinks for later because it's cheaper than buying it at the place. I just had a shower, and then I cleaned my whole body, and then I put my contact lenses in so now I can see. And now I'm gonna finish off my nails, do like a top coat on them so they're a little bit more glossy, you can see now. And then I'm going to go back to the place. Once I've done my hair, I'll go back to the place and then do my makeup with a friend. Okay, I just ran to the tram stop. I'm in such a mess. This is so typical. Basically, this is showing you what a prom day actually looks like. And so I just rushed to the tram stop because I'm going back to the place to do my makeup. I just finished off my hair. You can see like I curled it and I like put it back. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it like this or change it a bit, but I like how it looks, at least at the moment. And yeah, so I'm waiting for the tram. I'm out of my breath. Anyways, I think I'm gonna turn this into a prom day vlog, I guess you can say it, like what my prom looks like, because it's been such a mess and muddle up. So this is my crazy hectic day and prom, especially because I'm like part of organizing it, so it's even more hectic, and I'm doing like my makeup and stuff myself. But yeah, it should work out well, so I'm excited. I have like half an hour I think to get there and to do my makeup before we have another dance practice, so wish me luck. And yeah, this is basically, my prom is a Austrian prom because I live in Austria, and they call it a matura ball here, so it's more like a ball than it is a prom, and like parents and friends and all that will be there as well, so it's not just exclusive like the graduate class. So to tell you guys a bit more about that, I also had a coffee, my second coffee today, but I couldn't finish it because I didn't have enough time. But at least now I'm like so astounded.
I'll climb a hill, they see a mountain. Sitting through this turbulence, shaking when shit turns to his. Watching rapping tournaments, see fake ass dudes all acting bitch. Like what the fuck is this? Yeah, thought you made it big. Yeah, bought expensive shit. Now you returning all of it. And I kinda see myself in them. No, I gotta take a L sometimes. Hair getting pulled out by the stems. Just know I didn't cross no lines. See them when I close my eyes. Feel weird when a friend's nearby. Conversation really wastes my time.
So this is the dress that I'll be dancing in at the beginning, just for the first dance, and then later I change into my proper prom dress, and this is just the Austrian thing, I guess. Yeah.
Friends nearby, conversation really wastes my time. By myself when I lose my mind. Yeah.
When the world is gone.
This is for the vlog. I'm just getting so because I'm vlogging it all. Okay, this is something I did. It's like mirror on the wall. Actually, I got someone else to do it with my idea, and then it's like who's the fairest of them all on the other side. So yeah. This is the outfit of tonight. I forget to vlog. This, honestly, you have to be in it because, okay, wait, look, we've planned a maturizer together, which is basically a graduation trip, and so these are like my two besties in Austria. Okay, that sounds really cringe, but my two, like honestly, my two best friends, and we're gonna go travel the world. Yeah, it's true. We're gonna travel the world together. So, yeah, this is the Europe, 3 countries. Anyways, you'll see. But then you guys will visit me in Australia, won't you? Yes. At one point. Anyways, so this is like the first time they're in a vlog. Is this your first time in a vlog? Yes, it is. First time you're in my vlog, but you will see them coming in more. Okay, that's it for now. We're gonna take photos. Bye. They're at Sir Race. What an what? She'll be performing at my ball. And you're only allowed to put it in if it sounds obviously gonna sound nice. Yeah, she'll be performing on that stage later tonight, and I'm gonna film it and be the biggest fan, and I'm gonna dance as well. messy bun. Very messy bun. It's 5 a.m. The next day, we just got back home. We, as in like a friend and my parents already left earlier. And after cleaning everything up and after just after cleaning everything up, we then went out and we stayed there for a couple hours, and then we came back home, we ate more food, and then I'm going to bed now because I'm so tired. But it was such a fun ball. I don't think I got to film so much because I was like in the moment, like which is better than like vlogging and stuff. But yeah, I just had lots of fun. It was such a long like day / night / 2 days, I don't know, how would you say it? But I really enjoyed it and I had lots of fun. I also changed outfits like 3 times, like I'm wearing like something else now. Anyways, 4 times, even for the dance I changed. Anyways, it was just like, it was heaps fun. And I'm vlogging in the mirror because my face is anyways, I'm really tired, so I'm going to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed this prom vlog. Yeah, it was a mess, but it was fun. Not as like fancy as I guess you guys had hoped it to be, or as like the American proms and stuff that you see like on TV, but the reality of mine. I've been to like other balls before and I think I could like film more fancy clips and stuff, but I guess, yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in my next video. And if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
2,000 miles until my destination. The screen in front of me displaying all these constellations. I'm on a new vibration, motivated from these sights, somehow it's correlated. It's all cooperation. Yeah, trying to balance all of these hating faces and face the fact that I haven't made it.